Hi and welcome to the introduction to Unity3D. Unity3D is a 3D game engine. Essentially this is a tool used by professionals in the game industry to make video games. This is an industry standard. It's been around for a while. There's some games you may have heard of: Temple Run, Surgeon Simulator, The Room 2, Shadowgun. All these games were made in Unity. Some of the benefits of Unity include developing for multiple platforms. So I can make a game and then I can push it on iOS, Android, PC, Mac, web, pretty much you name it and you can develop for it with Unity. As far as engines are concerned, it's very easy to learn. It's not hard to get in, start making games, and then start publishing games. And finally, one of the bigger benefits is that it's free. So here's the Unity3D website. I'm just going to go here. Usually there's some splash page with some news. What you need to know is this download button, top right. Click on that. Then you can just download Unity. Once you download it, it installs like any other program for your PC or your Mac. Once you get it installed, we can start going over what you're going to do and how you actually use the engine. That's it.